hair, new me. Hi guys, my name is Naina Mena and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe button down below, like, comment and let me know what you want to see next. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting me, everyone who's been here watching my journey, my YouTube journey, from going to bad quality to better editing to all of that. I just want to say a massive thank you, because I don't know if you guys have looked down below. If you haven't, go subscribe and you'll see that I'm actually at 400 plus subscribers, and I know to a lot of people that's nothing, but to me it means a lot. Just the fact that I have 400 plus people watching what I'm doing, supporting what I'm doing, and just hoping to see more content is just amazing. So big up you lot and thank you so much. You're all part of the journey, babe. You're all part of a journey, and big love to you guys. May God bless you 10 times over. Guys, comment down below, let me know what you think of the hair. I'm living for this hair, but I don't know about you, but I'm living for this look. It's giving me maturity vibes and I like feeling mature, like new hair, new me, baby. Like, so this wig is actually a hair unit. It's a wig from Cexxy Hair, and I actually love their slogan. Their slogan says more sexy with sexy. They're spelled Cexxy, so not Sexy, but I definitely agree with this hair on. I just feel 10 times more attractive. Do you get what I mean? Like, obviously you have to have self-confidence, but I feel like when you change your hair, it's like you're changing a part of your persona. It's like you're turning into a different alter ego. And with this hair, it's giving me all sorts of mature, all sorts of bad bee, all sorts of who are you. Like, it's giving me all of those vibes. It's giving me all of those vibes. It's giving me a bit of energy that I shouldn't probably have right now. So the wig that I'm wearing today is basically a short bob wig. It's 12 inches of hair, but I've trimmed it down, so it's basically 11 inches, I guess. So yeah, it's a 13 by 6 frontal, and the good thing about it, which I'll probably try and insert some pictures and videos, is that because the frontal's so big, you can literally change the parting. So I've really had fun over the weeks, going from middle to side to up to all the different types of hairstyles. That's what I love about having a frontal. It gives you more freedom to do what you want with the hair. So yeah, definitely I'm liking it, you know. Now for the part that you guys are all waiting for, the cost of the wig. Because with me, especially because I'm quite young, I don't have an abundance of money, so I'm very cautious when it comes to spending money on artificial things like my hair, my makeup. Even though it is something that I take pride in and I try to look my best, I still have to look my best on a budget. So this wig was £52. Yes, it was £52. It was under £100, because I'm all for the bargain, I'm all for the budget, I'm all for, you know, saving them coins, sis. You know I've got your back when it comes to being on a budget. So this wig was actually £52, and I'm not being funny, but you can go to Green Street Market and get an artificial synthetic wig for the same price, and this is Brazilian hair. So that says it all. That says it all. This is a brand that cares about having good quality at an affordable. This hair is just so soft. It literally moves. It keeps getting stuck on my lip. But as I was saying, this hair is just so soft. It moves. It has. I'm sure if I had enough wind, it would just be moving right now. But yeah, this hair's really soft. For me, this length is perfect, but obviously, like I said, I trimmed it a little bit. You can feel free to trim it, you can feel free to style it. I was gonna even color it, but I was like, let me not try and color hair when I don't know anything about coloring hair, because who do I think I am? Like, who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? But yeah, guys. Now, so if you guys want to see how I basically unpackaged the hair and how I achieved this look and how I got it to stick to my head using Ghost Bond glue, then stay tuned and keep watching. So hi guys, I am back. I've finished washing my hair, conditioning it, and I basically put it in twists. I can do cane rows, but not on myself. It's really weird, so I've basically done twists instead, and they're easier to take out as well. So I'm gonna moisturize my scalp, because that's one key thing that you guys should do when you're putting on a wig, especially if you're going to leave it on for a while. You don't want your actual hair to suffer, because it's supposed to be a protective style. So I'm going to moisturize my scalp. These are twists. you want to purchase this hair or any hair from Cexxy Hair, then I'm going to put the links down below. This is cheap, affordable hair that's good quality and it actually looks alright. So feel free guys, feel free. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you want to see next. Keep connecting with me guys, and thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.